Ever wondered if your savings account could be doing more for you? I'm not talking about a few cents here and there, but actually earning significant interest that helps your money grow faster. For too long, traditional banks have offered abysmal interest rates, essentially letting your money sit idle while inflation eats away at its purchasing power. But the landscape of personal finance is changing, and online-only banks are leading the charge with something called high-yield savings accounts. These aren't your grandmother's passbook savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts leverage the lower overhead of online operations to offer much more competitive annual percentage yields, or APYs, than their brick-and-mortar counterparts. This means more money in your pocket, just for keeping your funds in the right place. And when we talk about high-yield savings, one name often comes up in the conversation: Biobank. Biobank, the online division of MidFirst Bank, has carved out a niche for itself by offering attractive rates on its savings products. So, what exactly is the high-yield savings rate for Biobank? As of July 2025, Biobank's online savings account generally offers an APY of around 4.20% to 4.31%. This is a significant jump compared to the national average for savings accounts, which often hovers well below 1%. Now, it's important to understand that these rates can fluctuate. The financial market is dynamic, and banks adjust their APYs based on various economic factors, including the federal funds rate set by the Federal Reserve. However, Biobank is known for consistently aiming to be among the top contenders in the high-yield savings space, frequently adjusting their rates to remain competitive. They actively monitor what other online banks are offering to ensure their customers receive a strong return. Beyond the attractive APY, Biobank's online savings account comes with several other appealing features. First, there are generally no monthly maintenance fees, which is a huge plus. Nobody wants their hard-earned interest to be eaten away by unnecessary charges. There's also a relatively low minimum opening deposit of $100 for their online savings account. This makes it accessible to a wider range of savers, not just those with large sums to stash away. Your deposits are also FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per account ownership category, providing peace of mind that your funds are protected. However, it's also good to be aware of a few things. While the interest compounds daily, helping your money grow faster, Biobank is an online-only institution. This means there are no physical branches for in-person transactions. Transfers to external banks can sometimes take a few business days, and while they offer online banking, they don't currently have a dedicated mobile app, which might be a minor inconvenience for some who prefer managing finances on the go. Also, their primary high-yield offering is their cornerstone money market savings account, which currently boasts a slightly higher APY of around 4.31% and comes with a $100 minimum to open. Their standard online savings account, while still competitive, might be a bit lower. Ultimately, if you're looking for a solid place to grow your emergency fund or short-term savings with a competitive interest rate and minimal fees, Biobank is definitely worth considering. Their commitment to offering strong APYs positions them as a strong contender in the high-yield savings market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.